My name's Kira and today we're going to be doing the Gooey Louie challenge. Yay! And I have my best friend Gracie here.
Hi guys.
The rules of the Gooey Louie game is you pick up all the disgust and snort, but whoever makes his eyes and brain pop out doesn't lose because we line up all the snort.
And the one with the longest snot piece will win a prize. And the one with the shortest snot piece will get a double dare. Numbers here are lemon or rotten cheese, peach or cough medicine, watermelon or a snot, cola or squid, strawberry or fresh blood, and blueberry or toothpaste.
For round 1, the prize is Season 5 Zomlings in the Big Town.
And for round 2, the winner gets Guardians of the Galaxy mushrooms.
And for the last round, the winner gets a giant lollipop. Yes! Here's Gooey Louie, and he comes with a squeaky brain and some weird googly eyes.
Also, this is a black booger, like the bloody one, but this gives you 2 turns. All the Gooey Louie boogers are long, medium or small. This is the long boogers,
This is the medium booger,
these are the small ones,
and these are the hook ones, what hook onto Gooey Louie to make him activate. Now we know how to play it, let's start for round 1. So we need to put the hook one in to activate Gooey Louie. Yep, that one in. Now we can start. Oh, let me put it up. Let's start putting the boogers in. Boogers. We need to push the brain in. Whoops, it's squeaking again.
the eyes in.
Get in there. It's not going in there. Oh, finally. Eyes and finally the boogers. And let's get started. Gracie can go first because she's the guest. Okay, so she's picking the booger out. Oh. Got one. Oh, that scared me. Time to line up our gooeys. So I'm gonna put this one on top of that. And you can just put right next to mine, like so. And I think that means I won! Yay! You did a good job, Gracie. High five. So the first round prize is the Zomlings Season 5, and I think she needs to get the double dares. Oh, sorry. Oh, come on, Gracie, come on, Gracie, come on. What one's that?
Okay, blueberry or toothpaste.
That's actually a good one. What blueberry actually tastes nice. What one is that?
Toothpaste.
Like it? Yes, she likes it. Oh wow. Gooey Louie! What we're gonna do with this slime now? Wait, does that have Orbeez in it? Let's put our hands in it. Does it feel nice? Okay, I'm gonna it's so cold! It's so cold! So cold, so cold!
Yes.
It's not. Oh, you see that bit?
Look,
Oh.
my hand. It's like
I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna try and get some more. I'll get ya. Looks like his snot. Okay, let's do this. Oh my goodness, my hands getting. did it all in. She's got one more and all aboard and all. Now all the boogers are slimy. We can put them back into Gooey's nose. Oh, it's slippery. It's slipping out of my hand. I'll get the top one. I'm just gonna do
I can't get it.
Oh, it slipped out of my
I
I got one. Okay, put it in here. Lift it up. This is really hard.
Oh my God.
Got you.
Oh, I got it. I got one.
I've got one. Wait. Putting some messy Gooey's nose.
I got one with my nail. I got one with my nail.
You got the black one the most.
Oh, look, they just slid out, the black one.
Look at that one. As with the Gooey Louie, if you think of Double Dare, it says watermelon and snot. Well, we're picking out snot right now.
I know.
Oh, this one's really heavy.
I got yours.
Ah!
It's going all into my hand. That was fun, but now let's close everything.
Yeah! That was really fun and really slippery. That's all done. Now it's time for round 2. Should I go first this time?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not that slippery. Oh, I got one already. I got a slippery slime. Oh, it's gone all on Louie's face.
Oh, I can't get it.
Whew.
I can't. Yay.
Let's see. Oh, we need to pick out another one. You're scaring me.
I got
Wait.
a lot of these.
Is it just one or is there? I think there's just one more left. Okay, I need to pick it out. I knew it was
gonna
one.
do that.
So okay, let's line up our Gooeys.
I'll go first.
Oh, you.
And I got the black.
Well, I won again.
If you put that one there.
Well, I'm
I
sorry,
won.
the black doesn't count. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, I am literally so sorry. Well, I get the second prize. I'm aiming for the last one. Double dare time!
Again.
Oh, Peter cough medicine! I'm coughing right now. I don't need that though. I don't need no cough medicine.
I'm gonna take one. Yeah.
What does
It
it
smells
smell
like cough medicine.
Cough medicine, Peach?
Peach.
Oh no!
This is the final round, guys, and the winner of this round gets a mega lolly.
I'm gonna win it this time, actually. Well, that wasn't that messy, so we want to make it super duper gooey. Put the brain in. Get in there, brain. Ow, my fingers.
And now let's put these in there.
Now for the messy part. Come here, toilets. Let's put our hands in it. Wow! Oh, how are we gonna put it in? Oh, we put some Orbeez
I
in
put
there.
Orbeez in there.
I want to get a big slime piece like that and put it. Why is it tripping? No.
I'm gonna get all these Orbeez.
No. You're not coming away. Oh, his nose. His nose is.
I got some.
It's like jelly on the plate. You got it on my
hat.
Wow.
Gooey Louie's
Oh no!
not out.
Oh, look how much! Oh, around your eye. I would not like slime.
I would hate this going all in
I would love it.
my face.
Except from my eyes, I would wear goggles.
Yes.
Oh,
Not
it's
even goggles. I wouldn't even like it to have them. Now let's get all these boogers out.
You can go first. Is it really hard?
I got some
slips out.
Orbeez.
Got one. Wait, I need my technique. I'll hold it. It's so slippery.
It's so slippery. You can't even move these.
I can't get it out. What is it that?
I hope it
Ah! I couldn't get it. Oh, yes!
Oh yes, your turn.
Oh, my turn. Oh, yes, I got it. Sticking to my hand.
One.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh, black one.
No.
Yes. Oh. I'm trying to get. It's gone back in.
This one is the thingy on my face.
I can't get it out. It is.
Yeah.
It's the hooked one. It's the hooked one. We need to line up our gooeys now. Oh.
Okay.
Where? Oh yeah, the black one doesn't count. I think you won. I can tell. I can tell. She's won. She's won. Wait. Yeah, she's won. She's won. Oh no! I wanted that slolly. No, don't. Why? Oh, well done. Well, that means I have to have the double dares.
As I'm the winner of that round, I won a Mega Lolly. And you're the loser, so you get a double dare.
No! I have to flip the spinner. Oh no!
I had that one. It was kind of nice though when I got the pink.
So let's go for this then. Come on, Peach!
Yeah.
Yeah, Peach! Yeah!
I got pink.
Yummy, that's nice. Now it's time to open our prizes. Okay, I'm gonna open my bundle first. Because I won that one first. Oh, green's my favourite colour. Have I had this one before? Oh my.
Look at this.
Oh, look at my one.
Oh my
So
god.
cute. These are really hard to open sometimes. Oh wait, I think I got it.
I think the green apple, raspberry, orange. What are they? Grape, strawberries,
Wonder what one I get.
melon, and apple.
Oh, look what one I got. I forgot the name, so can you comment down below what his name is? He's from Guardian of the Galaxies. I've seen him before. A little bit. He sticks! He sticks to the ground. I hope you loved it as much as we did. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us a comment what other things we should do. See you on our next video. Bye!